Quincy. Stopped by Nabokov. Avalanche, maybe their best opportunity of this second period. It's Matt Hendricks. Oh, he jumped. Here come the Avs again. O'Reilly's got a man. The pass, the shot. Oh, my goodness. What a great save by Nabokov.
Around the board, Pavelski trying to come out. He does and scores!
Carried the play in the ad zone, been dominant. Look at the second and third effort. Take a look at this effort here by Joel Pavelski.
Out of the net, trying to tip it out in front, and it is right there in the...
Barely catches the puck as it slides in and out from under his legs. Anderson, 51 saves on the night. Terrific net work for the Avs.
Fired in, not all that deep. Lowe follows it. Here's Thornton. Heatley shot. Rebound. They score! Joe Pavelski! And we're tied. A fifth time.
Three guys on the attack into the zone, finding the extra man. There's the rebound. Joe Pavelski wasn't even a rebound. The puck was prevented from getting to the net. Rambus net camp. Beautiful play.
Ultra helping out. The puck comes free to Ryan Clough. He'll fire it. They score! They score! Devin Setaguchi! And the Sharks tie the series.
The Sharks win the battle for the loose puck, and what a deflection by Devin Setaguchi. All those practices, all the time after practice to work on getting your puck or the stick on the puck in front of the net. And the Sharks went into the game thinking.
But will angle too far. Murray will put it in the corner. They scored! And the Avalanche have won. In overtime, they lead the series 2-1. Goes back this now. We're thinking O'Reilly gets a stick on it. Now, from that angle, you can't tell, but I look like Boyle backhanded, trying to send it around the backboards, and it hit O'Reilly's stick, I think, and then deflected wall.
Pass to Svatos, dancing away from Joe Thornton. Inside the Shark zone. Cutting in front! He scores! What a play!
This is what he's brought to this lineup. He's been off injured. He's got great hands. Look at him absolutely beat three Sharks. Three Sharks to the net. Big Joe Thornton, Dan Boyle, and Douglas.
3-on-1 down low. A chance here in front for Colorado on the goal line. And Nabokov gets his glove on it before the Avs can poke it home.
As net cam, you're going to get a beautiful look on the rebound. Check this out. Nabokov saves it. It gets to the line, but it stops dead on the line. They might look at that as Stastny nearly comes close.
Tried to get a piece of Pavelski. He's in with Setaguchi. Pavelski shoots and scores! Then he clears it himself with a stick, and Heatley will flip it high and just get it out as the horn sounds to end this hockey game. The San Jose Sharks, coming from behind in this series, win it 4-2.
His speed and his ability to knock you off the puck.
Flow to Murray. Murray over the line, trying to jam it ahead. Pavelski, he scores! Joe Pavelski! And the Sharks go back to San Jose, tied 2-2. These playoffs, but none bigger than this one.
Check out the wedge buster. Douglas Murray pushes guys back. Look at that. Two guys knocked back. One guy goes to Douglas Murray. And look at how Joe Pavelski uses Adam's foot as a screen and puts it past foot and past the glove of Anderson. There's Douglas Murray pushing the D back, and a big goal by Joe Pavelski with that terrific wrist shot. And wow, you're right. The Bay Area breathes a little bit of a sigh of relief.